quick presentation. You can see here, I got the Black Hole Challenger bank. This is the 703 UL. This is the ultralight travel. This is a Voodoo. Weighted, weedless, 2500 ballistic with 10-pound braid, 12-pound, about 20-inch fluorocarbon lure. Casting right outside this passage. Nice foam grip. You ever need to lock in on a nice catch. Nice foam here, and it rests up against your wrist area. And we got some bait blowing up right in front. So. Right there. Just floating it. I'm not side swinging it, I'm just floating it. Let's try side swinging it this time. Boom. Right under. Got red lips feeding on there, so a prototype rod right here. This thing really can do a lot of damage. It's so versatile.